Hey lovelies, welcome to this week's belly dance tutorials. I am going to be teaching you this week a drum solo combination, so it's like a little isolation combination from my new drum solo video, which is called Shimmabulous. So before we get started with that, I just want to quickly tell you about that I am now on Patreon. So I don't know if you guys have heard of it, but I'm on Patreon now, so if you want to come support me over there to get longer videos and access to all my classes. I also teach on online classes on Zoom, so they are actually live with me there. So those are they're going to be every Wednesday and Thursday, and they're on different times as well. So hopefully, depending what time zone you're in, you might be able to take a class with me either way. So I really hope that I can see some of you there over on Patreon, and let's get started with the class. Alrighty, lovely. So we're going to start off this combination by doing a hip box. So we're going to take our hip box onto the side. So we're going to be starting on our left hand side. And we're going to be pushing down our right hip to start this hip box. So we're going to be doing our hip box to start the combination. So squeezing up on our right, we're going to start by pushing the hip down on the right. Good. We're then going to tuck in with the tummy. So belly button towards spine. Then we're going to go down on our left side. So left hip comes down. And then we're going to tuck out to finish. So it's four beats. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Good, nice. If you are confused at all with the hip box, please check out my how to do a hip box video. I will link it in the description below so you can add that one in. So we're going to try that one again. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Next, we're going to go into a chest circle. So we're going to lift the chest circle from left to right. Good, and it's going to be quite fast. It's going to go round quickly. Round. Perfect. We are then going to move on to a tuck. So this time, belly button towards spine, tuck, lift the chest, keep that tummy tucked under, chest lifted. We're then going to out tuck the hip, out tuck the belly button, and then we're going to drop the chest. So the trick with this isolation is you have to hold each movement as you do it. So you tuck, you hold it there. You lift the chest, you hold the lifted chest. You out tuck the hip, and then you drop the chest. Good, let's try a little bit faster before we go. Tuck, lift, out, drop, tuck, lift, out, drop, tuck, out, drop, tuck, lift, out, drop, tuck, lift, out, drop, tuck, out, drop. Nice. Okay, let's join those all together and make it a little bit faster. So we start with our hip box. We're going to start with the right hip. Right, tuck, left, out, chest circle. Good. Then we're going to tuck, lift, out, tuck, drop. So great, we've got that, but we're going to have to make it a little bit faster to actually fit with the combination. So starting with the right hip, let's have it tucked up. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 with the hip. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chest circle. And tuck, 2, 3, 4. Good, let's try it one more time. Down with the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chest circle. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. For the next, for the change, we want to change direction. We're basically just going to lift up from our left hip, lift up, squeeze it in, and we change direction by lifting, squeezing in, and we drop. Ready? When I say drop, I just mean from lifted, dropped slightly, not an actual hip drop. Good. So we lift, and I'm going to just take my arm to open. So the arm is basically coming in and I'm lifting it out. Good, so I'm going to go lift like that. Nice. Okay, let's try it with the change of direction. Let's go on. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chest circle. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Change direction. Good. And as you can see, I have my left knee bent and my weight is on my right leg, on my supporting leg, because I'm going to start this hip box from the left this time. We're going to go left, 2, 3, 4. Good. So we're going to do again. So it's just a repeat of the same thing we just did. So we're going to go with the left for the hip box. Left this time, we're going to out tuck. Right hip comes down, tuck in. So again, left, tummy button out, drop the right hip, tuck in. Good. Let's try a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good, and a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. Again, we're going to go with our chest circle. Perfect. And then we're going with our tuck again. So we're going to tuck in, lift the chest, out tuck, drop the chest. Perfect. So again, just make sure that when you're tucking, you hold your tuck here, lift the chest, then out tuck, drop the chest. So everything is staying very still and lifted and blocked when we're doing this combination so that the next movement can follow. So again, let's just go from this side from the hip box. Go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, chest, circle, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Yay! And to change direction, to finish that off, we're just gonna lift up the right hip, take the arm across, and back into center. Perfect. Okay, let's try that from the very beginning. We'll do it slower, and then we'll do it for full speed. So afterwards, then you can join along with me and watch my drum solo choreography and dance along this combination with me. So let's try it again. We're gonna go, so knee pointed, or knee bent. Knee bent on the right hand side, weight on the left, the supporting leg. We're gonna go on 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, chest circle, and 1, 2, 3, 4, change direction, and 1, 2, 3, 4, chest circle, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and lift center. Good. And we'll go full speed. Okay, let's go on 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, chest circle, and 1, 2, 3, 4, change direction, and 1, 2, 3, 4, chest circle, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And ready. Amazing! Excellent work on the combination, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to press the like button below if you enjoyed this video. And also don't forget to subscribe so that you get your weekly belly dance tutorials. I will see you next week for another tutorial. Please feel free to write below if there's anything that you would really like to see. And I really look forward to seeing you then. Bye!